Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Strech tool on the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the Picsart app and then go to the plus icon, and to upload your images you just have to tap on the proceed icon to open your gallery, and you can choose your images from here. And when your images are uploaded, you can just open it. And to use the Strech tool, you just have to tap on here on the tools, and there are a few options here at this tool to use. So the first one is the warp option, which you can use to warp your image. This can be helpful if you want to change something, some subject on the image, or anything really. You can shape, if you want to be tricky, you can shape your body size with this, and you can use this feature as you wish. You can also use the Swirl Tool, which is going to create this epic spinning effect, as you can see. Maybe don't use it on your face, but it can create some artistic effects to your image. Obviously there are two of these, one swirls it to the right side, the other one to the left side. And also there are squeeze and inflate features. If you want to inflate something on your image, you can just tap on it and it is going to inflate it, as you can see. And when you overdo your image, just as I did right now, you can tap on restore, and you can restore parts of your image with this tool. As you can see, if I come here, it restores it to the original version, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can use this tool on Picsart. I think it's a very cool tool, and it creates the opportunity to make some amazing artistic pieces. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.